In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files or documents to your Weebly website. This is a handy feature you can use to share resources, such as PDFs, Word documents, or any other type of file with your website visitors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give your audience the opportunity to download all kinds of useful files directly from your site. Let's begin by opening the Weebly site editor. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the top bar where you'll see an option labeled Build. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will reveal a list of elements on the left panel. These elements vary in their functions, ranging from text boxes and images to additional features like buttons and dividers. We're going to focus on how to incorporate files. Now, from this panel, you'll want to locate the element simply named File. This is the element that allows visitors to download documents directly from your website. Once you spot the file element, it's as easy as performing a simple drag and drop action. Click on it and, holding down your mouse button, drag it over to the area on your web page where you'd like the file to appear. You can place it in the location that makes most sense based on your website's layout and design. Once you've dropped the file element onto your page, it's time to configure it. Click on the element and you'll notice options popping up to help you set it up. You're specifically going to be looking for the Upload File button. By clicking on this, you'll be prompted to choose a file from your computer. This is your opportunity to upload the specific document or file that you want your site visitors to be able to download. Make sure that the file you choose is relevant and something you want to share publicly. Once the file is uploaded, visitors to your site can interact with this element and have the file downloaded directly to their own devices when they click on it. Remember, this is a great way to provide additional value to your audience, whether it be through downloadable guides, informative documents, or any file that enhances their experience on your site. And there you have it. Adding files or documents to your Weebly website is a straightforward process that can greatly benefit both you and your visitors. By following these simple steps, you ensure that they have easy access to the information and resources you're providing. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!